Good morning all. Today I am going to explain about how to write a C code to print this pattern. Yes, before starting that we want to know about the basic syntaxes. That is, what is the basic syntax of C code, what is the basic syntax of scanf function, and what is the basic syntax of printf function, like that. Yes, basic syntax of C is hash include stdio dot h void main of and open bracket close bracket. Is hash is the preprocessor directive. It is used to add some files to our code. Then include is the keywords. Next one is the stdio.h. stdio.h means standard input output header file. As a scanf printf functions are present in this file only. If we want to use scanf and printf statements, that is basic input output statements in our program, means we must include stdio.h header file into our program. Next step is the starting of the program, that is void main of. Main of is used to indicate the starting of the program. Void is the return data type. Void means nothing to be written, means that it will return 0 to our operating system. Okay. Next one is the syntax of scanf and printf function. Syntax of scanf function is scanf within double quotes format specifier comma ampersand symbol, that is address of symbol, followed by variable name. Yes. Next one is syntax of printf function. Printf within double quotes format specifier comma variable name. Scanf is used to read the input from user like scanner. Next one is printf. Printf is used to print the output to the console like printer. Yes. Next one is about basic data types and their format specifiers. Yes. Basic data types are, first one is integer data type, is used to represent the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. Next one is float. Float. This data type is used to represent the decimal values. Next one is character. Yes, this data type is used to represent the alphabets, characters and special characters. Next one is string. STR, collection of alphabets. String data type is used to process the collection of alphabets. And last one is double. Yes, double means it is used to indicate the long float number. Okay, corresponding format specifiers are, yes, for integer data type, we are using %d as the format specifier. Format specifiers are act as a placeholders. Next one is float. For float data type, we are using %f as the format specifier. Next one is character data type. Character means we are using %c as the format specifier. Next one is string data type. For representing string, we are using %s as the format specifier. And next one is double. Double means long float. So we are using %LF as the format specifier. Okay. If we want to read integer number from user, then we can write our scanf function is scanf. As corresponding format specifier for integer data type is %d. So within double quotes add %d comma followed by variable name. Variable name can be anything, but keywords are not included in variable name. So give variable name is x or y like that. Next one is semicolon. In C, semicolon is used to represent end of statement. Okay. Similarly, if we want to print float output in our console, means write your printf statement like this. What is the syntax of printf statement? Printf within double quotes format specifier, is corresponding format specifier for float data type is %f. So here write %f comma variable name and y like this. Yes, this is the representations of scanf and printf functions. What is the syntax of scanf function? Scanf within double quotes format specifier comma ampersand symbol followed by variable name. Similarly, syntax of printf function is printf within double quotes format specifier followed by variable name. Okay. Next is, what is our given question? Write a C code to print the following pattern. First, see the output. Yes, our output has 5 number of columns and 5 number of rows. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally 5 number of columns are present here. So R equal to 1, R equal to 2, R equal to 3, R equal to 4, R equal to 5. Totally 5 rows are present in our output. Next, come to the column category. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So totally 5 columns are present. So C equal to 1, C equal to 2, C equal to 3, C equal to 4, C equal to 5. So see the output. In each and every row, star is printed in our output. So we have to go with a looping. Okay. Here number of iterations are known, meaning that number of column size and number of row size is known. So we can go with for loop. Yes. So before going to for loop, first let us see the syntax of for loop. Yes. Syntax of for loop is for. Yes. First part is initialization. Okay. Next part is condition checking. Then last part is increment or decrement part. And within curly braces enter your statements. Yes, this is the syntax of for loop. What is the syntax of for loop? For initialization, yes, for this case consider row. What is the starting value of row? Which is 1. That is known as initialization. So for int r equal to 1. Yes, initialization part. Next one is condition checking. Here what is the condition? R value starts from 1 and ends with 5. So 5 is our condition. So write your condition is like this: R less than or equal to 5. Yes, starting value of R is 1, that is row is 1, and total number of rows count is 5. So I am writing my condition as R less than or equal to 5. Next one is incremental or decremental part. See the R value. First row R equal to 1, for second time R equal to 2, for third time R equal to 3. So R value is incremented by 1 count. So write it like basic syntax of C code, that is hash include stdio.h. This is the first step. Next one is starting of the program, that is void main of. Yes, opening close bracket. Okay, next one is the input output declaration. Yes, here we are using two variables. One is R, another one is C. Yes, both are belongs to integer data type, because value of R is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It belongs to integer data type. Similarly, column value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is also belongs to integer data type. So assign int R comma C. Int R comma C. Yes, take one more variable count, that is n. Number of rows and number of columns. What is the value of n? Number of rows equal to 5, number of columns equal to 5. So assign value n equal to 5. N equal to 5 for this code. Yes, row, column and number of rows and columns. These are all our input terms. Okay. Next, write a for loop to print the following pattern. Yes. First of all, see here, row equal to 1, column equal to 1. So what is the position value here? 1, 1. Similarly, for row equal to 1, column equal to 2. What is the position value? 1, 2. For this case, row equal to 1, column equal to 3. Position value 1, 3. Next case, row equal to 1, column equal to 4. So position value 1, 4. For last case, row equal to 1, column equal to 5. Position value 5. So see here, R values are fixed to 1, but column values get varied for each and every position. So take row value in outer for loop and column value in inner for loop. So first for loop, write the R values. What is the syntax of for loop? First part initialization, next part condition checking, and third part incremental or decremental part. What is the starting value of R? Which is equal to 1. So for R equal to 1, initialization part completed. Next one is condition checking part. R value is starting from 1 and ending up to 5. We are taking this 5 as our n, number of rows count. So we can write our condition as R less than or equal to n. Yes. Next one is incremental part, R plus plus. Okay. Next, write the for loop for columns. Yes. Columns. So next for first part initialization, column value also starts from 1 and ends with 5. So write the same condition for column also. C equal to 1, C less than or equal to n, and C plus plus. Yes, C plus plus. Yes. What is the next step? Yes, as of now we are completing iteration for rows and columns. Okay. Yes, what is the next step? Yes, while R equal to 1 and C equal to 1. What is that? This position value. In this position value, we are going to print star. So write the statement as printf within double quotes, S, write star. Within double quotes, write star. S followed by semicolon. Semicolon is used to identify the end of statement. It is used to indicate the end of statement. Okay, yes. As of now, we are completing up to printing star value. Okay, for next line shifting, we have to add /n in our printf statement. /n is known as new line character. So after completing this inner for loop, write printf within double quotes /n. Yes, this /n is used for new line, next line, used to indicate the next line. Yes, so what will happen? Initially, what is the value of r? R equal to 1. Next, check the condition. R less than or equal to n. What is the value of n? 5. Yes, so r value 1. 1 less than or equal to 5. Whether the condition is true or false? Yes, the condition is true. After that, inner for loop will be executed. Yes, first initialization part, after that condition checking part, after that body of the looping will be executed. Yes, don't go with the incremental or decremental part, because incremental or decremental part is the final step of our looping for loop. Okay, next come to the inner for loop. Now what is the value of C? C equal to 1. Check the condition. 1 less than or equal to 5. Is it true or false? Yes, true. Next, what is the next step? Is body of the loop will be executed. Is next printf star. This statement will be executed. Is so star is printed in this position, 1, 1 position. After that, what will happen? After completing this printf statement, next control will jump to inner incremental or decremental part. Okay, so C value gets updated with the 1 count. What is the current value of C? It is 1. C plus plus means C plus 1, that is 1 plus 1. It will be equal to 2. So C value is updated as 2. Again check the condition. 2 less than or equal to 5. Yes, condition true. After that, printf statement will be executed. Now what is the value of R? R equal to 1 and C equal to 2. So what is my position? 1, 2. In the position 1, 2, star will be printed. Yes, it is the position 1, 2. Here star will be printed. Yes, after printing this star, what is the next step? Again C++. Current value of C is 2. C plus 1 means 3. So C value will be updated as 3. Again check the condition. 3 less than or equal to 5. Yes, condition is true. Again go to the printf statement. Now what is the value of R? There is no change in the value of R, but C value will be changed as 3. So position is 1, 3. What is the position? This is the 1, 3 position. In this position, star will be printed. Okay, like this, inner for loop will be executed 5 times. 5 times. So totally 5 stars are present in the first row. Okay. Then next step, after completing this inner for loop, what is the next step? Printf/n. New line character will be added. So our control jumps here to next line. Next line here. Yes, like that for each and every iteration. Yes, control jumps to next line. Yes. So we are giving condition as R less than or equal to 5. Similarly, column less than or equal to 5. Totally, outer for loop will be executed 5 times. Inner for loop will be executed 25 times. So we can get 25 stars in our output. Yes. Thank you.